In this video, let me show you how to set up job alerts in AngelList. AngelList Talent, now known as WellFound, is a platform that you can apply for jobs, mostly inside of startups. So in order for you to set up a job alert for a particular position or a location even, you can head over to the job section and add in your job title along with the location. And right here on the top, you would be able to see the option which says get job alerts for this search. Depending upon the job title and the location that you added in, you can just toggle this option on and the job alert now has been toggled on. You'll get job alert notifications on the notifications tab as well as your email address that is connected with WellFound. Also, make sure that the overall notification for job alerts is toggled on. If you head over to your profile, you can head over to the notifications tab and make sure that job alerts and reminders are toggled on. Also, make sure the job recommendations are toggled on so that you get recommended jobs right inside of the job section. So that's all there is in setting up the job alerts inside of WellFound or AngelList. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.